Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa at tawa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. My dear brothers and sisters, please include me in your prayers as I celebrate today my 9th year anniversary as a priest. Pray for me that I may continue to be faithful to my vocation, to my ministry, that I may be continue and allow myself to be used by God as His dispenser of His graces and blessings to His church. Sa ating ebanghelyo po ngayon, napakaganda ng paalala para sa ating lahat, lalong-lalo na po sa aking bukasyon bilang sampari. Tila po hindi magkaparehas ang pananaw ni Juan Bautista at ng kanyang mga alagad. They were threatened by the presence of Jesus Christ, who was at that time baptizing at the other side. Pero pinaalala po ni Juan Bautista yung katotohanan that he is not the light, but he came to testify for the light, that he was not the voice, but he was not the word, but he was the voice crying out in the wilderness, that he was not the Messiah, but he was sent to prepare for the way of the Messiah, that he was not the bridegroom, but he was the best man. Kaya pong paalala sa atin ngayon, yung dapat malinaw yung pagkakakilala natin sa ating sarili, yung ating identity. Kapag po malinaw sa atin kung sino tayo, yung lugar natin, hindi po tayo maninira, hindi po tayo maiinggit. Pagkos nakatuon yung sarili natin sa kung sino tayo at kung ano ang mayroon tayo at pagyayamanin natin kung ano man ang pinagkaloob ng Diyos sa atin. And I think this is all about my priesthood. It is not about me, but it is about the identity that I share with the Lord. Kasi kapag malinaw yung identity ko bilang sampari, kahit ano man ang mangyari, ay pagyayamanin ko kung ano man yung meron ako. And at the same time, it's a good reminder that whatever we have received is a gift from God. Kaya kung malinaw yung identity natin, hindi tayo maiinggit, hindi tayo mai-insecure, pero magiging kontento tayo at magpapasalamat tayo kung ano ang mayroon tayo. Pangalawa po na itinuturo sa atin ngayon ay yung ating iwasan, yung jealous competition. Yung jealous competition ay yung nakatuon yung ating focus sa kung ano ang mayroon sa iba at hindi sa kung ano yung mayroon tayo. And so we begin to compare, we begin to be envious, jealous, and insecure because we do not possess what other people possess. Pero yung katotohanan, magkakaiba tayo ng tinanggap mula sa Diyos. Magkakaiba dahil ang nais ng Diyos that we come together, collaborate one another, and we use our talent to empower one another. And so, St. John is teaching us that life is not about competition, but it is about empowerment. That we have been gifted to empower other people, to collaborate with other people, to share what we have to other people. At ito yung natanggap ko bilang sampari, na makilala na magkakaiba tayo ng talents, at dahil kinikilala natin ang talento ng bawat isa, then we are invited to collaborate, to work with one another, and at the same time to empower one another so that we bring the best in each other. Sana po ito yung ating matutunan, ito yung ating sa buhay, tayo mag-inggitan. Bagkos tayo magtulungan. Let us inspire one another and empower each other to bring out the best in one another. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share, mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.